A crash, a drop, a fall and a flow. Those rocks and that mist. Waterfalls, nature's adventure overdose, is where we are taking you this week. India has several fascinating waterfalls. One such an iconic landmark is Kutralam.
It's a Tamarabarni monopoly. This mighty river enjoys a lonely run until the Manimuttar and the Chittar rivers join her as her tributaries. This week's Hydrostan takes you on a journey to South India's waterfall identity. Welcome to Kutralam.
Western Ghats' tail end, a border range that separates Kerala and Tamil Nadu. This hill range is home to Kutralam Falls and the Chittar River. Peraruvi, Aindaruvi and Puli Aruvi are some of the prominent falls in this series. The medicinal herbs which dominate the upstream forests turn this wild stream drop into a magical potion. One refreshing walk in and out of these falls is memorable for a lifetime. Tourism takes its toll on this natural masterpiece. Shampoo sachets, non-degradable plastic wrappers dominate the downstream canals. This contaminated water runs as the Chittar River, feeding several thousand people in and around Tenkasi to later only merge with the Tamarabarni River. There are frequent campaigns to clean Kutralam and ensure that this natural wonder retains its glory. Is it too much to ask for us to maintain discipline and not pollute these beautiful natural landscapes? The Kutralam Falls and the Chittar River, with its picturesque forest in the backdrop, is a frame out of a fantasy.
There are 130 crore plus reasons to celebrate India. We at EFI chose India's water stories to celebrate this great country. And today's episode on Kutralam would have reiterated that. As one of South India's most visited tourist spots, all that Kutralam is asking us is to behave. Let us understand that these waterfalls are not shampoo soap dumping sites. As much as we enjoy these waterfalls, let us also be responsible towards every drop that we cherish that falls from these mighty hills.